Hey, it's Joe Glines, the-automator, and unfortunately it's that time of year again where we're paying taxes, and I do a lot of ordering on Amazon, and it's really annoying to try to download your invoices from Amazon. So I had Irfan write a script using Rifadium, which is a library that we sell, and he was the creator of it. It's how we actually met him in the first place. Let me launch my script. Now you're going to see it'll close Chrome. I have Chrome running somewhere, but I'm going to say yes, because in order for Rifadium to connect to Chrome, it needs to start in a certain mode. Also, in order to use this, you have to be able to download executables. So if that's a no-go for you, stop watching the video, because it might be interesting to you, but you do have to be able to download executables and launch executables. So it comes into, starts Amazon. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my orders, here we go. I'm going to look at 2024 because I want to go through all my 2024 orders and say which one of these were for businesses. So I had 492 orders in 2024. Yeah, like I said, I order a lot on Amazon. And I come through and I say, hey, which of these are business expenses? So I try to do this once so I don't get lost, or I can keep track of the day. Nothing there. Nope, not chisels. Here we go. This is something I would say, yeah. So I should be able to mouse over this, hit my hotkey. Now it goes in. That's interesting. It actually had a problem. Let's try this again. I don't think I hit. I think I needed to click on the screen. So now I can close this, and we should probably make that part of the script. But here, under Invoices, if I could click this, which is right now 8:41. Yeah, that was a minute ago, or right now. This is the file that I just downloaded, shipped on December 1st, and so that file is now on my computer. And then I would just go to the next one. This book. Again, I think I have to make sure that the page is selected. And then I think I can hit, let's see if I can select this and hit Control W. Yeah, it'll close that tab, so I don't have to go up there. So now you get an idea. Should I say my Doge shirt was a business expense? Yeah, probably pushing it. I don't know. Anyway, so let's see here. My wife's earrings. Yeah, you can see what I spent for her. Oh, and look, nothing spent because I used my points. But here's another book. I do read a lot, especially from Dan Kennedy. If you're a businessman, it's he's a great. What? There we go. So this is it. I just go through, keep finding things that were business expenses. And then at the end, we'll have a list of receipts that we then go submit. But if you've ever, let me show you, if I didn't have this tool, let me pretend I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to say View Invoice. I'm going to open it, new tab. So that's one click. And I have to click again. And then I would have to, where is the, print this page. And then I have to save. And then tell it where, save again. I'm just going to save it there because, right? So that's a lot of clicks to download one thing. So you can see how excited you can be by just being able to come into something and be able to, here's another one. I'll talk to Irfan about that. It seems like sometimes it doesn't pick it up. And then Control W. These also. So anyway, you get the idea. If you're interested in that, I don't think, unless someone reaches out to me, I don't know if I'll make that available. But yeah, maybe we will. I'll get one of the guys to create a download and put the URL up here. So thanks for watching. Again, if you have other websites, the problem is every website's different, right? So it has to be customized to that website. But if you have a website similar to Amazon, something like that, where you want to do something like this and you want us to write you some scripts to help you speed that up, reach out to us. You can check my calendar and book an appointment and we can have a chat. Cheers.